Here we go, full throttle. That's kicking up a lot of water.
Oh my gosh.
Warning, there's about a 90% chance that if you keep watching this video, you're gonna want to buy this boat. Watch all that stuff that you just, oh! Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia is not here, she's with Grandma. Popeye is back at home because we have some boats to test. For the RC Sailors, welcome to our RC family. Guys, this is the Barbwire XL2. They have a second version, a completely new redesigned hull here, and check it out. RC Sailor stickers. That is not from Barbwire, that is from us and our patron supporters, so we thank you guys very much. If your RCs just aren't looking as cool as they used to and you need a couple cool points for each sticker to up your levels, well, we'll have them linked in the description box below. Buy this beautiful boat. Now, there's a unique thing about this Barbwire XL2, at least for us unique. We see this very, very rarely, only with this and the XL. It has this giant hole in the back of the boat. That is not a mistake. That is designed to fill up with water. If you flip over and basically if you sit still, it's going to fill up with water and have a self-righting feature. Because this is a bigger boat, the torque alone is not enough for it to flip back over if it goes upside down. So this puppy's supposed to go like 25 miles an hour. It's brushless, it's powerful. We're running on a 3S LiPo, the same LiPos that I use on most of my airplanes, a 2200 milliamp.
It was included.
It was included. This is completely ready to run, and they mean that when they say it. They even recommend that you use a boat tape, and this one comes with boat tape, so I'm actually going to seal this off a little bit before we, well, I'll show you underneath here really quick before we go. So there's our brushless system right in the middle. I'll give it a little, don't want to do this too much out of the water, but brushless. And we have our awesome huge rudder back here with our steering servo, our receivers mounted up in the back, and the ESC's here. Notice the battery placement here on the side of the boat. It's held in with Velcro and then a Velcro strap, and then this bit of plastic here is that water bladder that will fill up with water and help it flip back over. So this is very cool. I'm so excited to drive this, and I know you are too, Abby, so we'll take turns, have a little fun with this thing. Let's do it.
Okay, flip test. Throw it in there.
Then at the end of the video, we like to show you guys a water test to see how much water gets in the boat. Filling up. Unfortunately, it's twisted around, but that's okay. Very awesome. Very, very awesome. Now you guys may notice when the boat just sits still, it will sit a little cattywampus, we like to say. A little crooked, okay? The left side is going to look a little crooked when it's just sitting in the water, but that's because of the battery and the water just kind of sitting there. As you speed up, the water gets pushed out of the back of that hole. Since it's so big, most of the water can get out of there. So let's do this. Oh yeah, this is fast. And I like that it's a bigger boat. We can actually see it. Nice wide turns here. Here we go, full throttle. That's kicking up a lot of water.
Oh my gosh.
That's how you do an RC boat. That is awesome. Yeah. Let's see if we can start doing some right-hand turns, because our left-hand turns are very wide on this, but that makes sense. And here's our right. Oh yeah, look at that. World of a difference. Let's do a right-hand turn. Boom! On a dime. A lot of times these boats are designed to turn way sharper one way than the other for racing, and that is the case on this one. Abby, you've got to do this because this is way better than those cheap toys that we buy all the time. Woo! Skipping on the water. This thing is sweet. Okay, that's full throttle and really zipping it around. I'm gonna pass the controls off to you. You're gonna love this.
Ready?
Yes. The rooster tail alone on this is just huge. Now watch all that stuff that you just, oh! So you watch all the stuff that you just, oh! Watch all that stuff that you just, oh. Oh, Abby, that is such a bad, hold on now, hold on. Let it fill up some. That was nasty. Talk about a boat. Give it one way. Yeah, I forgot it helps to turn the rudder. I didn't do that when I flipped it over. Now let's bring it a little bit closer. I'd like to actually inspect that because you got air, and that is not a ram. That is a stump sitting out there. You get to drive it still. I just need to take a look at it and make sure it didn't crack the hull or anything. Okay, we gave it an inspection and we're okay. Get to have some fun. This is what I'm talking about with this hobby. It is, yeah, we've picked up a few bystanders. Everybody wants to see the boat. It's pretty wild, isn't it? How's it running?
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, okay,
amazing.
Good. Give them a nice close drive by. Just don't hit the trees. Abby's keeping some distance from the trees now, I can tell. And she got quiet too.
Well, that was just slightly embarrassing.
A little bit. But it could happen to any of us.
How fast is that going?
About 25 miles an hour.
It's gonna hit its own wake.
Yeah. Give him a nice close drive by, Abby, really close. There you go. Full throttle. Oops, bad camera work. See, you're good at the camera work here. Nice and close again, nice and close. There you go. Yeah. There you go, Abby. Oh, you hit it again! There you go, Abby. Oh, you hit it again! Oh, you're done. You are done. See, she's not a great driver of these. My turn. It's my turn. Yeah, that's twice now she's done
Oh,
that.
I'm so fired. You know that there's not even a crack or a scratch in the hull from the first one,
Yeah,
so
pretty
that's a durability test. We never were like, oh! We're like, oh! We're like, oh!
Okay, well, I like doing that. I get one more. Wow.
It goes so fast, that's easy to do.
Yeah, let's see if we can flip this over on purpose here.
I don't know if you can.
I don't think I can. This is designed really well, you guys.
It's amazing.
Definitely draws a crowd too. This is just such a fun hobby. Look at that rooster tail.
Donuts!
Donuts!
Oh my gosh.
Boat donuts. See if we can get these guys wet on their boat over there. No, I'm just kidding. This is full throttle, just a blast. An absolute blast.
This is better than watching the big boat.
He said this is better than watching the big boats. I don't think they know what they're in for.
The battery's dead, so that's
Really?
actually good. We need to do a dead battery test. When it dies, it cuts out completely and it's time to bring it into the shore.
Make you know.
That's right, that's right. There we go, up on the shore. Nice. So this is the water test now, and we want to check out the hull after I flipped it too. Wow, I was trying to show off a little bit, and we got a little scuff here.
Just a scuff.
But I mean,
like
really,
a stain,
it's like
really.
a stain. There's no texture issues there. And
Wow.
let's
That's
check
the point of the boat.
check the rudder. Well, okay, look, nothing up here. Oh, little scuff of paint gone.
That could have already been there.
Could have. And no indication of any hit on that
Wow.
rudder at all. And that's probably what
That's amazing.
took a brunt of the hit. So then we empty our little bladder out there, and let's take our tape off. See, normally I would just cut this part out of the video, but I want you guys to see how much water is in here. Don't try to reuse your tape, and definitely don't litter with your tape. Throw it away in the trash can. And let's see if we have any water in here. Look, see, I like that tape because it's rubbery, keeping
Yeah,
the
it's
water
really
out,
neat. It's
but
a
it
neat
also
texture.
doesn't leave any on the boat or anything. So let's pull this off here, and
Just a little bit.
like, see it down here in the corner? I would say half a teaspoon of water.
Not too bad.
That's pretty amazing considering we did stuff with this we probably shouldn't have done.
This boat should be cracked like our one boat the one time.
Well, there you have it. One of the coolest RC boats ready to run that money can buy, in my opinion. I remember seeing videos of the first XL. They ran it in a river. Do you remember seeing that?
Oh yeah.
And it just wouldn't flip over. It wouldn't get stuck. It was absolutely amazing. This thing is a head turner. It's a blast. It's easy to run, so anybody can pick up the controls and have fun with it. And it's fast enough. It probably could hurt someone. So be a little careful with this. Don't get it too close to kayakers and fishermen when they're out having their fun. Nice transmitter. The whole setup is very nice. It even comes with a charger, all the stuff you need, an extra prop and everything. Guys, if you fell in love with this like we have, we'll have it linked in the description box below for you, as well as our awesome RC Sailor stickers, which are obviously waterproof. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.